Hey everyone, welcome back to How to 360. Today we're making something light, fluffy, and sweet, the Puffy Apple Omelet. So, before we get started, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love seeing our viewers from all around the world. And don't worry, the full recipe and ingredient list are in the description below. Here's what you'll need to make this light and fluffy breakfast treat that tastes just like dessert. You'll need 2 medium apples, peeled and sliced thin, 3 large eggs, separated, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, just a pinch of salt, and some powdered sugar for topping. Oh, and if you'd like, you can add a drizzle of maple syrup or honey at the end. Start by melting butter in an oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Next, add your sliced apples, sprinkle them with sugar and cinnamon, and sauté for about 5 to 6 minutes until the apples are golden and soft. That's it. Just let them get nice and tender. Okay, now separate your eggs, yolks in one bowl, whites in another. Next, beat the yolks with flour and just a pinch of salt. Then, go ahead and whip the egg whites until stiff peaks form and gently fold them into the yolk mixture. Take your time and don't rush this part. Now, pour the egg mixture over your cooked apples in the skillet. Carefully transfer the skillet to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's golden, puffed, and just a little crisp on the edges. You're really close to puff perfection. Once it's out of the oven, dust it with powdered sugar and serve immediately. This puffy apple omelet is warm, airy, and just slightly sweet. Honestly, it's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even dessert. And that's it! You've just made a puffy apple omelet that's golden, light, and bursting with flavor. The full recipe with all the details is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another delicious recipe from How to 360.